Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by uploading the exact image you want to use, then set its visibility so browsers can fetch it. Once done, open, share, and change to anyone with link. This allows public access. Make sure to copy the file ID from the drive URL. It sits between /d/ and /view. You need that ID to build a usable source URL. This step is critical because Drive won't serve files to web pages unless permissions and the ID are correct. Next, you construct a direct link that browsers accept. Use the pattern https://drive, google.com/uck, export equals view and ID equals file ID, and precisely paste the file ID you copied earlier. You do this because Drive's default share link doesn't work as an img src, the uck. Export equals view endpoint forces content delivery. After replacing the ID, open the URL in a new tab to confirm the image displays. If it does, the link is ready. If not, recheck permissions and the ID character. Finally, put the direct URL into an img tag in your HTML. Img src equals direct URL alt equals description and upload or serve your page. Make sure to replace direct URL with the uck. Export equals view link you tested. If the image is blocked, double-check Drive sharing, set to anyone with link, or try the export equals download variant for forcing raw bytes. Also clear the browser cache and test in an incognito window.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.